Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. If you're searching for the perfect laptop to run AutoCAD smoothly in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a student just starting out, a professional engineer handling complex 3D models, or someone working primarily with 2D designs, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 laptops that deliver exceptional performance for AutoCAD without breaking the bank. We've tested these machines with real-world projects, from small architectural plans to massive assemblies with thousands of parts. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get started.
At number 5, we have the Acer Aspire 3, and this is your go-to budget option for AutoCAD work, especially if you're focusing on 2D designs or working with smaller 3D models. Coming in at around $390, this laptop proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get started with CAD software. Under the hood, you're getting an AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, which is a recent chip that handles AutoCAD's single-threaded tasks quite well. It's paired with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and comes with the AMD Radeon 610M integrated graphics. Now, while this doesn't have a dedicated GPU, it's perfectly capable of handling 2D plans, circuit designs, and even small 3D models without moving parts. The 15-inch Full HD IPS display gives you decent screen real estate to work with your designs, and the 512 GB SSD ensures your project files load quickly. One of the standout features here is the battery life. You're looking at around 10 hours on a single charge, which is fantastic if you're a student moving between classes or working on the go. The laptop weighs just 3.92 pounds, making it highly portable. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6 for fast internet connectivity and runs Windows 11 Home right out of the box. Now, let's talk limitations. This laptop will struggle with medium to large 3D models, especially when you're rotating or zooming in viewport mode. The integrated graphics just don't have the horsepower for complex assemblies. Rendering times will also be longer compared to machines with dedicated GPUs. But remember, for 2D AutoCAD work, electrical schematics, or architectural floor plans, this machine performs admirably. The RAM is upgradable too, so if you find yourself needing more memory down the line, you've got that option. For students or professionals working primarily in 2D, the Acer Aspire 3 offers incredible value. It's lightweight, has great battery life, and handles the basics of AutoCAD without any hiccups. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the MSI Thin GF63, and this is where we start getting into dedicated graphics territory. This laptop is perfect for those stepping up from 2D work or students who need to handle 3D models with several hundred parts. Priced around $580, you're getting serious value here. The MSI Thin comes equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i5-12450H processor running at 4.4 GHz, which gives you excellent single-thread performance for AutoCAD's drawing and modeling tasks. But the real star here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 with 4 GB of dedicated VRAM. This is the latest entry-level RTX card, and it makes a massive difference when working with 3D viewport operations. You'll be able to rotate, zoom, and pan through models with up to 1,000 parts smoothly. The laptop comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is adequate for most student projects and small to medium professional work. And here's something impressive. You get a full 1 TB SSD right out of the box. That's more than enough storage for years of AutoCAD projects, and you'll never worry about running out of space. The 15.6-inch display runs at 144 Hz with Full HD resolution, providing smooth visuals and plenty of workspace. Now, weighing in at 4.1 pounds, it's still quite portable, though the battery life sits around 4 hours, so you'll want to keep your charger handy. The dedicated 2050 RTX GPU uses more power, which explains the shorter battery life. There's also a free RAM slot, so upgrading to 16 GB is straightforward if you need faster rendering speeds for larger models. The beauty of this laptop is that it handles the sweet spot for most AutoCAD users. You're not overpaying for features you won't use, but you have enough power to work efficiently on typical engineering and architectural projects. Whether you're designing mechanical parts, working on building plans, or creating detailed assemblies, the MSI Thin GF63 delivers smooth performance. It's ideal for engineering students and entry-level professionals who need reliable 3D capabilities without the premium price tag. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Keeping it going with the Surface Laptop Studio 2, and this is where portability meets serious power. If you're an engineer who's constantly on the move, visiting construction sites, meeting with clients, or working from multiple locations, this convertible laptop-tablet hybrid is designed specifically for you. Starting around $2,000, it's definitely an investment, but the versatility and performance make it worthwhile for the right user. At its core, you've got a 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H processor, which is blazingly fast for AutoCAD. This chip handles everything from complex drawings to demanding renders with ease. The real game changer here is the NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU with 6 GB of VRAM, running at 80 watts with an additional 15 watts from Dynamic Boost. This configuration can handle models with well over 1,000 parts without breaking a sweat. It comes standard with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is ideal for both viewport performance and faster rendering. And you get a 512 GB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD for quick file access. But what sets this apart is the form factor. The 14.4-inch touchscreen runs at 2400 by 1600 resolution and can be used as a traditional laptop, folded into studio mode for drawing with the included stylus, or completely detached as a tablet. This versatility is incredible for CAD work. Imagine sketching initial concepts with the stylus, then switching to laptop mode for detailed modeling. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 is also incredibly portable at 4.37 pounds. Battery life ranges from 5 to 8 hours depending on your workload, which is impressive considering the powerful hardware inside. The cooling system is well designed, though you should avoid marathon rendering sessions to preserve the laptop's longevity. Now, there are some considerations. The price is steep, and for students, there are more affordable Surface options like the Surface Laptop Studio 1 with the 3050 Ti, or even the Surface Pro series if you're working with smaller models. But for professionals who need to design on-site, present to clients, and have the flexibility to work anywhere, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is unmatched. You're getting workstation-class performance in an ultra-portable package. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Lenovo LOQ, and this machine is built for professionals handling large, complex 3D models. If you're working with assemblies that have thousands of parts, detailed mechanical designs, or architecturally intricate buildings, this is the laptop you need. Priced around $850 to $950 depending on configuration, you're getting flagship performance without the workstation price tag. Inside, you'll find the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, which is AMD's latest 8th generation chip. It runs at 3.5 GHz base with boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz, making it one of the fastest laptop CPUs available for AutoCAD single-threaded tasks. Paired with that is the NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, running at a full 125 watts plus 15 watts from Dynamic Boost. This is crucial because many laptops underclock their GPUs to save power. The high wattage here means you're getting desktop-like performance for viewport operations. The laptop comes maxed out with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is perfect for rendering large projects quickly. And you get a 512 GB NVMe SSD, which you can easily upgrade to 1 TB if needed. The 15-inch display runs at 165 Hz with Full HD IPS technology, providing incredibly smooth visuals when manipulating your 3D models. Now, there are trade-offs. The laptop weighs 5.73 pounds, so it's definitely not designed for constant travel. And the battery life is only about 2 hours under load, meaning you'll need to stay plugged in for serious work sessions. But for office-based professionals or those with a dedicated workspace, these aren't deal breakers. What makes the Lenovo LOQ special is its ability to handle models that would bring lesser machines to their knees. The 6 GB of VRAM on the 4050 means you can viewport assemblies with 1,500 to 2,000 parts smoothly. The powerful Ryzen 7 CPU ensures rendering times stay reasonable even for complex projects. Both RAM and storage are user upgradable, future-proofing your investment. If you're a mechanical engineer, CAD designer, or architect working with large-scale projects daily, the Lenovo LOQ delivers professional-grade performance at an enthusiast price point. It's the sweet spot for serious AutoCAD work without jumping to expensive workstation laptops. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the HP Victus, taking the top spot as the best overall laptop for AutoCAD in 2026. This machine strikes the perfect balance between performance, price, and practicality, making it ideal for the vast majority of AutoCAD users, from students to working professionals. At around $700, you're getting incredible value that's hard to match anywhere else. The HP Victus is powered by the Intel Core i5-12450H processor, a 12th generation chip that delivers solid performance for all AutoCAD tasks. But the standout feature here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti with 6 GB of VRAM. This is significant because 6 GB of VRAM is the sweet spot for AutoCAD. You can handle models with up to 1,000 parts smoothly, which covers 90% of typical engineering and architectural projects. Whether you're designing houses, mechanical assemblies, or detailed components, this GPU has you covered. The laptop includes 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is adequate for most work, and it's upgradable to 32 GB if your projects grow in complexity. You get a spacious 512 GB PCI NVMe SSD for fast load times and plenty of storage for your project files. The 15-inch Full HD IPS display runs at 144 Hz, providing smooth visuals and reducing eye strain during long work sessions. At 5.06 pounds, it's reasonably portable, and you'll get around 5 hours of battery life, which is respectable for a machine with dedicated graphics. What makes the HP Victus the #1 choice is its versatility. It's powerful enough for professional work, but affordable enough for students. The 3050 Ti with 6 GB VRAM means you're future-proofed for years to come. Even if you start with small projects, as your skills and projects grow, this laptop will keep pace. The 12th generation Intel processor ensures snappy performance for drafting and drawing, and the multi-core capability handles rendering efficiently. You also get the latest Wi-Fi card for fast connectivity. Now, there are a few minor downsides. Like most Windows 11 machines, you'll encounter some bloatware, and the initial setup takes some time. The battery life isn't exceptional, and if you're working exclusively with very large models over 1,500 parts, you might want to consider the Lenovo LOQ instead. But for the overwhelming majority of users, the HP Victus provides everything you need and nothing you don't. Whether you're an engineering student working on class projects, an architect designing residential buildings, or a mechanical engineer creating component assemblies, this laptop delivers smooth, reliable performance. The combination of the 3050 Ti GPU, recent Intel processor, and upgradable RAM makes it the best all-around choice for AutoCAD work in 2026. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching our countdown of the best laptops for AutoCAD in 2026. We covered options for every budget and use case, from the affordable Acer Aspire 3 for 2D work to the powerhouse Lenovo LOQ for massive 3D assemblies, with the HP Victus taking our top spot for best overall value. Remember, choosing the right laptop depends on your specific needs. Students working on class projects have different requirements than professional engineers handling complex designs daily. If you're primarily working with 2D plans, you can save money with a machine that has integrated graphics. But if 3D modeling is your focus, investing in dedicated graphics with at least 4 GB of VRAM will transform your workflow. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current pricing and detailed specifications on all these laptops. Prices fluctuate, especially during sale events, so you might find even better deals than what we mentioned. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more buying guides and tech reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know which laptop you're leaning toward, or if you have questions about AutoCAD performance on any of these machines. We read every comment and love helping you make informed decisions. Until next time, happy designing, and we'll see you in the next video.